Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss how to fix add cards to wallet. For example, if you see open your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet setting and you see this kind of pop-up showing add cards to wallet. Even you have tried to add cards to your wallet but it is not adding. So how you can fix that? For this what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So without wasting any time, let's start the video. So here is the written to add card, tickets and passes to wallet. Look for the add to wallet button in the apps. So here you will find the option of add card, and if you have already tried that and you are unable to add card on your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet, so how you gonna do that? So the first thing you have to do is you have to simply go for contact your card issuer, and you have to check whether your card is compatible with your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. And after that, if your card is compatible, then what you have to do next is you have to simply check whether your device is compatible with your Apple Pay or Apple Wallet. If your device is also compatible, then you have to go for the next setting, which is as that you have to go to general and you have to go to software update. And here what you have to do, you have to check whether you have the latest iOS update or not, because many times if you do not have the latest iOS update, you will face many kind of errors related to Apple ID or payment methods. And if you have already checked that you have the latest software, and here you have to you have to simply click on Apple ID, and after that you have to simply go for the payment method. For this what you have to do, you have to go for media and purchasing, and after that you have to go to view account, and you have to check whether you have provided correct payment methods, and you have to simply renew all of your payment methods. And after that you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then you can simply go for the Apple support and ask for the solution of the problem. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.